A fire broke out in several containers near the Fisheries Check Post in Karachi's Keamari area, causing panic and fear among residents of the surrounding localities. Following the incident, thick clouds of smoke engulfed the area, creating an alarming situation. Upon receiving reports of a massive fire at Karachi Port Trust, fire brigade teams rushed to the scene and initiated firefighting operations. After strenuous efforts, the firefighters successfully brought the blaze under control. However, the cause of the fire has not yet been determined. Police officials have launched an investigation to ascertain the reasons behind the incident. No casualties have been reported so far. Authorities stated that further details will be shared once the investigation is completed.